Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMPQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement, not only today, but on Monday also. And then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above this point right here at 0.018. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.018, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support, in the event that level does not hold, would be down here at that area at approximately 0.016. So 0.018, 0.016, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 0.018, that would be the best case. That would be, that would be by far the ideal scenario. However, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then grand scheme of things viewpoint, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward here, nothing complicated behind it. The party stopped today up there at 0.023, so 0.023 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, as long as the price continues to do what it's been doing, and what is that? Well, you look at where these lows have been, so as long as these lows keep getting built higher and higher, then everything else, especially if you picture those as stair steps, so as long as these stair steps keep on progressing in the upwards direction, then that's the name of the game, because as long as that occurs, then eventually levels of resistance will be broken. So focus on healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.